guys ngikuphi ngifonelwa inkabi. Nekuphi ngifonelwa inkabi ingithreatenisha from u7 kwaze kwasha u11 ebusuku. Story time. Shothi nje ngibuyele emakhaya nje iSunday. Kade nje ngisekhaya ngithi ake ngiyolanda amandla ekhaya. Mangibuya nje ngithi sengihlelile. Nakhona ngiya-edita ngithi edit content. Ngagcina ngayipostanga naleyo content. Ngagcina ngayipostanga naleyo content because it's reached to a point ukuthi ngidelete uTikTok wami ngu-deactivate nje ngigcine ngidecide ngathi nje shuthi kumele ngiphume kulezi zinto social media because wow. So ke ngifonela omunye kubaba ke and into eyenza ukuthi ngikholwe le yanto leyana guys ukuthi lo yababoya ngifonela lapho emdala. I feel like ngiyazi ukuthi angikho ngedwa baningi abanye asebefonele mhlawumbe. And I feel like we shouldn't keep quiet about this thing. Mele sibazise abantu ukuze bebe careful. Yabo manje seku December abantu nje bayaskemana vele. Igame nje zibhizi kakhulu. It's either umuntu wesilisa noma umuntu wesifazane bazokufonela. Inamba yakho nje mikhona ku social media guys bazokufonela. So nje mina my advice ukuthi nje inamba yakho ungayifaki ku social media abantu mabangakwazi. Mawukuthi uyathengisa ngazi shothi uzofanele ucreate online store because bazokufonela shame. Angifuni nje ungasho bazokufonela. So ke wangifonela ke lo baba lo. Wathi sawubona Mamtongo. Yabo umuntu mangabe ngifonela kanjalo I mean like umuntu mayekhuluma kanjalo kunami ngisuke ngisengazi ukuthi lo muntu loyo mhlawumbe ungazela ku TikTok because ngibuye ngifaka amana no screen protectors emafonini. So I knew ukuthi nje shuthi ilinye lama customer ami la ka TikTok and stuff. So ke and inamba yami bikhona vele sengisusile manje ukuthi angazi noma sengisuse kuyo yonke indawo konke nama video kodwa ngagcina ngidelethile kwenye indawo. So athi lo baba sawubona Mamtongo ngithi mina kanjani. Athi asikho right thina ukhuluma noBaba Nkosi. Baba Nkosi yo baba singanseza ngani athi kodwa udaba olungekho luhle la. Udaba olungekho luhle. Kwenze njani baba? Athi kunosisi ongithumile ukuthi ngizokubulala kahle kahle mina ngiyinkabi. So ungithumile lo baba ungithumile lo sisi ukuthi ngikudubule. Hayibo. Yabo mina ngihleke. Ngithi mina hayi cha ukuthi mhlambe road napa baba ngeke nje kuthiwa mina nginosisi nje okuthi uyancinga uncingelani. Athi lo sisi uthi engibulale ukuthi mina ngithandana nendoda yakhe. Ngihleke mina ethi hayibo anginayo nendoda mina ngisuka ngani nabantu. Athi angithi uyabona ukuthi ngikunikeza ithuba lokuthi uchaza ukuthi kwenzekini kodwa wena udecide ukungihleka. Kodwa ke abantu njengawe ke ngeke ngidile nabo ngenye indlela uzobona ke. Ngivalele ifoni mina wapha mina angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani manje ubaba. Okay shuthi nje after few minutes engene ku WhatsApp. Mengena ku WhatsApp akasangifakela uWhatsApp ngale number le angifonele ngayo. Usengifakela ngenye nje number. Athi lo baba yazi lento lengathi izoba yinde kodwa ngifuna ukuthi ibe yinde ngifuna ukuthi kube ivideo yodwa. Athi ke lo baba hi sekuthi useku WhatsApp ke manje athi hi ngithi mina yebo njani. Athi ngiyaphila bese ethi okay sorry senze ngiyozela. Bese kwangena icall. Sengize ngiyozela phela manje angisazi noma ngiqhubeke nale story. Asazi ukuthi ngigcinephi. Kodwa manje sesiqhubeka ke. So ke wathi ke lo baba ke Okay, kwasongifakela ku-WhatsApp. I think isigcine lapho. Songifakela ku-WhatsApp ukuthi wangifakela ku-WhatsApp ngase ngamphendula wathi ngize ngithole attention yakho. Base wangifakela enye ividiyo ethusayo. Yo. Iyona leya video yangithusa shemfoqa mama ngizoza nje ngiqale ngimnange lo baba ngathusa leya video. Ethena-ke lo baba ngizamile ukukufonela. Yazi ukuthi guys lo muntu lo yama ekhuluma you are so convinced ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso. And uyayibona lento ayishoyo and I feel like labantu laba banalo sisalamuzi because if bethi yenza into uyayenza mina nje ngizoyikhulumela mina nje ngangiyenza into babethi ngiyenza ngangithukile uqamba manga ngizenza isikoro ngangithukile. So bese athena lo baba ngifakele le video le kwakuyintombazane nje esencane nje le ntombazane ingathi yaphenduka le ntombazane ingathi yabo ngathi ibingena endlini and then bese yaphenduka ingathi iphenduka ibuke emuva kanje isho inhlamvu bamdubula afisane athi lo baba ngizamela ukukhuluma nawe wayibona ukuthi angazi ungcono and stuff wangihleka. Ngesemva kwakho ke manje wena usuzolandela mina abanjengawe ke ngibenza nje esho kule ukuthi kule video ngibona ukuthi ngeke phela serious phela lento lenaki. Bese ngithi mina kuyena ngicanga ukuthi baba uthola umuntu wrong la angazi noma mhlawumbe ubaba uyangiphambanisa ubani igama lendoda mhlambe ngoba ngenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe ukhuluma ngendoda esekade ngahlukana ngisho nayo. Athi akusabaleka ngalokho ngikunikezela ngithi ithuba lokuthi ukhulume usuchazana futhi manje ngithi mina no ukuthi ngifila ngazi ukuthi i-wrong number. There's no way ukuthi mina ngacingwa inkabi. 1 angiphuzi. 2 mangiphuma emsebenzini ngihlezi ngisendlini yami. Mawukuthi angiyange etown manginemedlana ngihamba ngoyothengela u-ice cream etown ngeke kuthiwe mina ngicingwa inkabi ingisuka ngani inkabi. Hayibo ngithi mina ngeke baba ngeke mhlawumbe uphambanisa abantu ngithi ngeke ngicela ukuthi ungichazele kahle ungaze ungibulalela into engekho. Athi nje lo baba uyena makhumalo wena uhamba ngeBJ ngeke ngiqhubezele number plate yami kodwa wavela washo number plate yemoto yami. Waqeda lapho athi they've been following me for 3 days. Hayi cha ngibona ukuthi no is serious ke lento. Bese ngithi ke mina ngoba wathini ke bathi nguwankosi ngithi mina kahle ke ngwani hayi igama lami shuthi uyalazi nemoto yami uyayazi kodwa ke ngicela ukuthi ungitshele igama le ex I mean like igama leyo ndoda leyo kuthiwa mina ngithandana naye ngoba mina at the moment anginayo umuntu engithandana naye. Athi angisho ukuthi uyabo mase ngisho njalo ngimtshela ukuthi anginayo umuntu engithandana naye bese yashintsha istory bese athi akasho ukuthi into yamanje into yakudala. Hawu ngizi mina hawu ufuna ungibulala into yakudala ufuna ungibulala ukuthi ngathandana nomuntu 2 years back and lo muntu lo sengahlukana naye nani ngangibulala ngani ngalesa sikhathi ngisathandana naye. Athi ingani lo muntu lo usakhuluma naye. Hayi guys ngivele ngibona ukuthi hayi ngihlwelwe ke manje nake yabona manje ngihlwelwe. Iyaphela ke lento lena guys ngizobuya no part 2. Ngibone kodwa ukuthi ngizosala sengiqhubezela ukuthi kuze kuphele lo 10 minutes wakhona lo. Ngibona ukuthi cha ngihlwelwe. Hayi ngihlelwe ngampela ke mfana ngi. Hayi ngithi mina yabo enye into eyenza ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngimlalele ubaba ukuthi wayazi ngani ukuthi ngisakhuluma nex yami. Noma nje wayigesela kwasho ukuthi kanti vele kuzoqondana. Ngiyabuya guys ngizobuya le story side kakhulu ngeke.
Hi guys, so just an update, ne? Let's just wrap this thing up and yeah. So yesterday I made a post about this whole thing. Apparently inkabi hit, something like that. So I made a post because I was really scared of my I was really scared that something was going to happen to me because of this call that I received. And honestly speaking, I don't regret the decision that I took by publishing this thing on social media, because had I not posted about it, then I wouldn't have known that this whole thing is a scam. So everyone that came forward really assisted, and there's a video that was sent to me, relatively the same thing that happened to me. So that lady was explaining everything that happened. So now here's what happened. I'm here just to caution Basadi, because this thing is target Basadi. So I'm here just to caution women they might find themselves in the similar situation. So here's what happened. Tuesday, 8 hours of the morning, I received a call from an unknown number. And mind you, I was in a very, very deep sleep. So here's what I think I heard from the guy that time, to say that we saw a conversation between Wena and someone, but I didn't understand. I kept asking, what are you talking about? And then he kept threatening me. I did death threats to say that he's going to kill me, he's coming for me, and he's also coming for my daughter. And all it is a petrol bomb. So I was really scared that I ended up hanging up the phone. Because I wasn't sure, is this a prank or what is happening? So I dropped a phone, he continued to calling, but I phone more silent, and then so I had an appointment with clinic. I went to the clinic. And ke dutse mo clinic ka bona man gore no di number ke tseding text la aus mapula, and ha ke compare nako, that person called me at 3 early hours, and then that text was sent at 3 so in a different number, but it cannot be a coincidence. And then I decided, oh no man, let me just text this person, because I was trying to find out exactly who this person was. I sent a text there, and then I spoke to this person to say that, hey, who are you? And I don't know, I was respond. So from 6-7 I respond, hey, I was driving, give me 20 minutes, I will explain. Sharpo, I continued texting, why did you call me? Why did you threaten me? That person kept telling me, you should have asked those questions when we called you, but when you were rude. Okay, sharp. That person, I continue, I send the video from 8 to 9, continued sending the video where he was shooting someone. I'm claiming that the same thing is going to happen to me. Okay, sharpo. I'm supposed to see that, what is going on? Hey, I send the gun, Mustilong, and Ponsa will driver. Hey, and Washuba and Gashu, Mama, and I know Mama, Mama was okay, what's happening? Hi, Koluki, I get to Liano, yes, my attention. I answered the call. As and when I answered the call, this person proceeded from Plela or Ibile. He saw a conversation between Nali someone, Ibile and Omechuke someone. They came to warn me. Warn me, Papa. A one conversation I have with someone, and a conversation from last year, November. Hey. Okay. Conversation about what? No, we just warning you. Because I'm sure you I don't know anything about Moto kept on beating around the bush. I don't get you, but as much as Kichuhil, I'm standing up for myself. We are a teacher. When you give learners work, do they question you? You are in no position to question us. You are going to answer us. We are here demanding you to apologize because you cannot be doing that. Did the person even tell you that they had a wife? What are you talking about? Are you sure that you have the right person? I kept asking them. But beat around the bush, go always again. They didn't even make sense. Was I understand the Sizulu? Yes, understand the Sizulu. I know if you were not a Pelacopa and Pakela Uchima, Pelacobonum of Palisades in Tilted in Buff, said the Radier in Buff. The Tuanaliza packing. Yo, Yano Hapiano, Gashua. I can remember I'm in this thing on my weight loss gene. That's why I can almost motor or Lampona serious, like I'm scared now. I'm scared. He continued making those threats. Busy with this person. Give your mother the phone. I didn't know really Mama or Motokaga and stuff. Sheba, we are here to warn your daughter. And Uchuhile, Mamaka Uchuhile at the time Kichuhile. Like these people that's and they have our attention. Mama Abu Hawa Mapulikuni Tiba. Mama Abu on a long call. That time, he text out at the time I leave phone and happy because Pakela and phone Nixon it's a what is this? It's a video, Nixon evidence, get a case that day, electric clinic. My family is so hacking evidence. So if anything is a because evidence I can ion. So if you let a phone, I get to make a call Shapo, Mamma phone, Bantabari, they are outside, Bantabari, face to face. I'm not going to do that. I am not going to go out here well on I eat. I'm playing get what's from place against the pillows and swelling. Let's talk. The video call it they apologize so that they can leave me. Outside my window. Should I Nyagasa or do anything stupid, they are going to kill me. motho a continue a bua gore the only reason we are not even killing you is the good work that you are doing in the community, the good work that you are doing for the kids in. So we are honor our only job. No, we are supposed to kill you, but no, we just want to warn you gore hlukana nendoda yabantu ya muntu, something like that. Ba utlwa batho ba e ka ke di-foreign nationals or ke maZimbabwean, but you can tell le setswana sa bone gore no batho ba ga ise batswana ebile ga ise batho ba kabu wa bona. Ba continue how I can threaten gore so we want you to apologize ba phone yana ke gana guys, like I kept putting this on ke ba yana ke sa batla go tlhagela like so yaka ke placetse phone ya. They wanted me to be in this position when I spoke to them, mind you go daka fela go bateng na I cannot see them, bone they want to see me, so I refuse bluntly. Hey, we want you to apologize for this woman. You want to treat nako e ba gape e tswile ko mo woman gape e ko monneng, like it didn't make sense. The story did not make sense at all. Mind you, gape ya no taba e tswile mo gore ke mosadi he monna and whatnot. Gape they are forcing me to apologize to this guy, so it continued this hard sense, but I was really scared thinking that there's people outside and o bone ke nna fela le mama and le ngwana re basadi botlhe, we are scared, like these people really scared us. Lucky enough for my sister Martin, mama managed to sneak a toilet and then sali busy afonele uswaka mara msha modimo, we are being held hostage mo batho ba ba montle mapule in yana ke go fonele mapodisi because we don't know, like we are dying rashwa, like these people sounded like this thing is real batting wa itlhaloganya. Mama o busy uswaka, at least uswaka ba e lena o mo thusitse she was sleeping because ona bereka shift ya phakela. Mapodisi shapo eya, at least the police came. Antse ke bua le batho ba yana ke ntse ke le busy ke communicate le bone before the police came and stuff. Phone wa ka ke dirisa Telkom, so my phone is busy overheating wa bona, my phone ya overheater, so network ya sokodisa. Ba ntaba ke screen sharing so that they can see gore I'm not recording them, gore nna bile ha kena any pictures ebile ke tsene ke scroll up ba batla go sheba motho o ba batla go tsena le conversation ya ka le motho o ba be sharp because these people had me here ba ntshwere mo ka ke tsena le nna mo phone ke re screen record ke dira screen sharing sharp ba bone ba le mo gore ne ke screen recorder ka phone ka by the time ba phone ba mfoste go ke delete video e wa ka delete video e wa sharp ba ke recently deleted ba ke tsene mo di photo ke tsene mo di screenshot ba ntirisa metlholo eo ba mpusetsa gape go WhatsApp ba re go back to WhatsApp ke tsena go WhatsApp ba re scroll up antse ke scroll up ba ntaba di number tseo 774 tsena mo teng. Before that ba bone conversation ya ka le Bucks because antse ke bua le bone Bucks ke ne motho le gore he was actively Bucks wa Pitori jona ka ngwana wa go Pitori Bucks wa bona gore ke busy ka screenshot ka mo sendela and at least nyana wa responder fast wa bona gore like what is happening kana ke bua nna yana ke botho 11 ya no batho ba sentse ba mfolela ka bo past 9 re buile for a good hour ba tsweletse wa bona ba tsweletse, we are still communicating now. Banta ba ke tsene mo ba ke ke next you want to invade my privacy I did exactly as you guys asked me, said I should apologize for something that I didn't do. Ke apologize like ke deleted yana ke tsene mo conversation ya ka le Bucks that time ke shofile because ke sendile di screenshot sa bone ke sendile information ya bone mo Bucks because I was scared and Bucks ke ne motho na ga ba promptly at the time go shapo ke ha ba re ke godimo ba kopana le number tse le di unsaved ba ke tsene mo di number tseo ke tsena mo di number tseo ba re I must go up. I went up ba sheba ba re ile gore why o bua le motho ba ke ne o ya no this way I saw gore ya no batho ba they were beating around the bush because the person that I was speaking with ke the person o ile gore apparently ba khati o joditse batho phone and mind you this person is a gay person, so happy re jule kae gore ke jola le monna wa motho in happy ba re motho ke eng. They forced me gore ke delete di-chats sa ka le motho, they forced me gore ke block motho. I did exactly that. I didn't have a problem with it because I was scared. Sharpo phone remember ya overheater ya no, the network ya better ke dirisa Telkom, the network ya sokodisa sharp ke ha antare dropa kholo yo ka tswa phone la ga immediately after dropping the call ke phone la phenyo ke le ka phone lo butwa ka phenyo ke le ka mo phone ya no le na ga call kanti the time ntse ke dropile Pinky mama o nantsa buela uswa ka Pinky before the police came uswa ka number tsa phenyo ya re mo ke mo sendela number tsa phenyo first phone la phenyo kanti by the time a phone la phenyo were making their way here, so phenyo ba tsena shortly phenyo ba fetsa go tsena mapodisi le bona ba tsena shortly batho ba ka ba founa gape a ke nna ba ke ba founela e be ke sa ba founile nna I continued calling my people ba tsena gape ba founa mapodisi ba tsena ke ga ba video call they continued ba bua ntse ba dira go screen sharing. Police they said like bana gore I must continue ke dire fela exactly as they told me to do. Sharp ba ntaba ga bona we are living go sharp go yana gape ke bona batho ba sega sa ba yo mo baka mara these people had this information about me, that's why I was really scared. E ka ba bone go mapodisi ba tsene ba phekile montle, they should have told me gore wena go bilesa mapodisi so ne se yo taba yewa, but I didn't know then gore ke scam because of all the information that they had ka nna ya gore I'm a teacher, the work that I do for the community, ba tlhole ba mpeta ke jima, like all of those things can need. The only thing it puzzled me ke khanya gore nna ebile ne ke le busy le monna wa motho le gore nna ebile ke since ke nna busy le motho ka November and what not, I knew gore mo wa gone they were wrong. I kept emphasizing on they have the wrong person. So apparently these people they do this and then after that they extort money from wena, but nna it did not get to a point where banko ba chelet, but I think it was going to get there, but because of how defensive I was, how I kept telling them gore ntwe ba buang ga ise yone le bone ba bone gore I'm not going to give in. I'm not the type that gives in easy. So I'm just here to warn basadi gore should they receive kholo eng senyana, they must immediately drop the call, delete the numbers, no matter how much these people try to get their attention, because they use different numbers and they use unregistered numbers. So be warned about individuals like this one. This game is and be safe. Us as women in South Africa, we are not safe. We accepted that we will never be safe. So be warned, be safe, guys. And when you come across something like this, don't give in easily. So happy, I am glad that I took this matter to social media, because had I not taken this information to social media, I can't say this thing, the whole thing is game. Maybe it was going to get to a point and then now I was going to be forced to talk about heavy because I was scared. So I'm glad that I took it there. Let's continue to caution other people and warn them. People don't want to work. People want to extort money from us. And they have that mentality that we have money. And then they target mostly the content creators. So be warned, guys. Stay safe. Don't fall in for the traps. Thank you so much.
Guys, sanibonani. Ngizonixoxela nje ngendaba yenkabi edifone ebusuku. Ifone ngasikhatsini phela
beku1.
Ifone ngo1 inkabi yathi ithi na wesithe ngibiza ngegama lami wesithe. Lokho ifone ngayiziba ifone ngathi bakhomela uziba lo muntu ofona ngesikhathi mblock. Ebese ngibona igama lithi Sibusiso, yabo. Mayibona simnaka vele athi kunodaba oluphuthumayo ngifuna ukukhuluma. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ekhaya sinayo umalume Sibusiso wakashobethu, umalume kamalume wami ozalwa nomama. Ubhuti wakhe njalo. So ngithi mhlawumbe uyena, maybe umalume senenkinga, umalume ayandor sekwenzakalani yabo. Nganaki. Si-answer phone, masi-answer njani? Ukhuluma ney'nkabi, sithunyiwe la ukuthi sizokubulala njengamanje sila ngaphandle. Sisewindini. Thuke.
Ila siqale khona impela uthuka.
Sithuka suswa ukuthi ke manje kusebusuku, kumnyama, akukho nokuthi uzomemeza, mawuthi uyamemeza ngaphezulu kuphezulu, oba la nje la sikhona khona akukho ukuthi ungathi beyababe kube khona umuntu ozwayo. Trauma ndini. Uthi heqe uvalo. Kuthi ukuthuka. So sixoxa makho ama story wona uma ngikhumbula, but what I remember, I was crying and I was so hurt. I was vevezeling. Bengazi ukuthi ngenze njani. Abese umuntu lo athi ikhona ivideo engizokusendela yona. Awuyibuke le video lithina singabantu ababulala ngobaba omdala ngasemsinga, ngina 50 to
54 una 20 years.
Una 20 years ebulala yenza kulomkhakha. Avela umfana ubhuti lo asende ivideo. La ivele soma khona amathumbu. Asende ivideo umbhuti. Mayisende ivideo intombazana ngathi iyangena la ingena khona. Gqoka iskipa esigreen nebham shorts mangaphosi isikajini.
Pink, I mean pink.
Akazi wasiphikke masigreen but ke the lo video mayithi yangena kulo nhlanga namathayiza amhlophe ngathi la mathayiza lahlephe kulahlanganisiwe. Ivele intombi bayishaya athi na umsebenzi esiwenzayo. Uyacabanga uthi uvuke ebuthongweni, u1 uvuke ebuthongweni. Ebese umuntu uyena uyadubula abantu.
From U1 njengama nefone up to U4. Ila sesayivala khona ifone ngo4.
Yes. Sithukiwe and ingqondo ibuyaletha ukuthi emnyango waseDenrom wabe senspring cleaning akukhiyiwe. Kuvulekile kuba lo muntu befusa ungena bezovela ngene. Uthi sewindini and ingqondo ayibuyi ukuthi lo muntu ayisewindini nipheka ngashaya iwindi siza ukuthi ukhona ngempela kuvele kucaca ukuthi
ingqondo iyahamba guys.
Ingqondo yathi nje vra yahamba yavashela eStand Cape.
Basibuze yona. Basibuzile yabo lo muntu lo indlela enze ngayo umuntu bengazi ukuthi unolwazi oluningi ngathi umuntu ongathi kada esibona umuntu othunyelwe ngempela understandanga ukuthi kwenzakala kanjani, because indlela afika akhuluma ngayo fika washo ukuthi yini ebesibanga kule salon esiphuma kuyona. Sasho thina asibangi lutho nabani, saphuma ku right kukuhle, wabuza ukuthi ayikho umuntu esathintana naye saxabana naye, sasho sathi cha wabala wonke abasaluni ebesebenzela kuona.
Wathi enas wathi amen nokwazi amen. Ngathi mina amen angaze ngiphume kabi, amen ngaphuma ngesihle nje ngoba sengiyosebenza sengiyoyimela. Wathi ezula balizulu izulu wasethi la usukhona khona manje siyakwazi. So siyabona sizokulimaza ozokulimaza nalengane yakakhumalo kulimale nawo yini esingayenza ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sibambe ukuthi singakubulali. Mongathi asikubulali asikubulali ngani.
Oh before asho njalo phela mina bengirecorda khathi ukhuluma naye phone. Shothi angazi noma into ajwayele ukuyenza kwabanye abantu o into ebiyenzakala la egcekeni ngoba ngisho ukuthi asazi ngempela because uthe awutshele lo ngane yakho malo ingasirecord. Hayi ngivele ngiheqe ngempela uzalo.
Ukuthi lo mthuthi uyasibona ukuthi khona umuntu osewindini uyabona ama light ukuthi showcase lo uya record. Nami bengirecorda ngenye phone but uthe mayisethi umakhumana ngeke urecord sesithethisa satatasa ngacima iphone faka la enye cause ngafihla le enye ifone wathi ifone yakhe ngathi wathi nasithe namafoni awuthu ungaphika ngathi angafoni nedwa ifone ihlala emsebenzini nebusiness le umakhewane yakhe wathi akangene share screen wathi akadelete lapho siyathethiswa wema
sayidelete ke VN because bengenze ngarecord ngathi VN wathi asidelete sayidelete wasihamba ngiyongena my record angazi ngisho record yefone mina angazi ngarecorda in the phone ngangena ngayisesha irecord wabona la ukuthi akukhulu ukuthi mayeqeda lapho ke ake asho ukuthi yena uthi yini enzowenza ukuthi nginganibulali esho wena MC athi yini ezoyenza ukuthi ngakubulali wena ngoba kuthunyelwe kuwena and le ntombi yakho izothola amachaphazelo ngenxa yakho
lapho sithi nje siyaxolisa baba usewubaba
wakhala ku baby wakhala Nkosi yami kwathiwa manje mina Nkosi yami ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma because yena bese tatazela kakhulu and yabothi lo muntu serious lo athi amthethiseke athi wena ngiyabona ukuthi awufuni ukukhuluma yonke ezowenza ukuthi ngikubulala uhlulwa na intombi yakho kuthi iyona ekwazi ukukhuluma okudlula wena esho yena shithi ubani washela aba shithi mina ngashela uMC usho yena njalo uthi wena shithi wena washela lento wena wamshela lo ntombi mangabe insizwa yakho uyadelela lo yababa mndini uyadelela ayemva lokho ke ngixolisa siyaxolisa uyakhala ku MC ngala siyaxolisa akhishwa isisu semthani uya toilet ufike toilet
siyaxolisa baba uyabuza lo baba uyabhosha noma uyachama hawe ma
phela uphuma uthi uyochama la video elokuze kwicall uthi wenze njani umuntu uyabhosha noma uyachama ngithi mina usevele wabanjwa isisu semthami wathi akungitshela ukuthi akeze isikhathi siyahamba sineselelo 10 minutes after 10 minutes selelo 4 minutes after 4 minutes selelo 20 minutes sidla simile la minyango samba ngeTaxi basho kanjani base samba ngeTaxi ubize umkhizi igama ngazi ukuthi
baye umkhizi babuye beze ngaphakathi kube ngathi impela umkhizi bala igcwele igceke
hayi abizwe kumkhizi kakhulume nathi efonini ke sho ukuthi bazokhuza mina ukuthi mina ngirecordele nendi bazombulala sebezobulala mina ukuthi ngirecordile abuze umkhizi ukuthi le ntombi yakhe indaba iphapha kuthi ngiyaphapha mina kuthiwa indaba iphapha le ntombi yakhe
ngiyamxosela ethi yamxosela uthi uyaphapha
ngixosela uthi uyaphapha akasukume
singanibulali ke sizofuna 10,000
hayi sivomeke nathi Nkosi yami ngoba
sabukufa umuntu angisabukufa uNkulunkulu wayifihla indaba okufa thina le isifikele 2 yafa manje
athi nje asende imali ekhona sisho OMC athi ena uno 1.5 athi angishonga ukuthi chaza ngizame ukuchaza kangcono ngoba OMC ibetatazele wangempela ngalokho ke ngisho ukuthi hayi Nkosi yami sino 1.5 athe sande siholela abasebenzi izolo siholela abasebenzi sakhokha nerent yasesaluni then evalo kuyaphela imali ekhona u1.5 nakhona siyageza ebank kukhona u900 and something yeah imali engekho nje ebank ebisele lapho emsisanda phuma ngekhe izinto zasendlini besiyidinga la endlini hayi ke simvele share screen ngoba beletha share screen yonke into esenza share screen
ngene ebank ngizothi ngithini
athi ngene ebank ngidownloadisa ama app angawazi
ngenhlanhla ke ngingene ebank vele sengivulile iphina akayibonanga ngena sengithi ke sethi angenza
manje inhlalo samtshengisa ukuthi imali ekhona athi sithi u900 simtshengisa abone na ukuthi 00 la kwezinye indawo na u900 ngaphezulu athi akawusendele mina ke ngala bengisendele
usenda ku time bank athi awusho ngathi into yakhe nawo time bank athi uma ke ikhadi lami leli ngoba lisebenziswa yimini but uyele verify busuku ngabona senza ama app ka time bank asenza time bank une app time bank yangisebenzisa nje ikhadi ngisuke ngifaka imali ngifela makhuma singene ku time bank senzani sasenza voucher
bengazokuthi ngizana ama-voucher ke mina sende
wasifundisa nokwenza i-voucher
leyo voucher iphenduka iy'namba ngazi lezi namba zingaki so sendeke lona ungangeni ku900 ngene u885 rand
mhlawumbe nje lezo number u-screenshotanga
zikhona ngi-screenshotile
mhlawumbe nje masingayinikeza umuntu ayikhiphe mhlawumbe ingaphuma leya mali
athi ke athi ke sibhale ke inamba ayibize ke inamba ngasiqedile ukuyibiza inamba atsena uthi ufuna uthi ngenze njani ukuze ngingakubulali namakhomala asho mina
lapho sesikhokhile imali sisho hawo baba sesikhokhile nje siyaxolisa makhomala sela siyaxolisa mina ngiyakhala ke mina Nkosi yami angibuza ukuthi siphi isizathu sokuthi singakubulali na MC ngimtshela ukuthi mina hayibo uma wami udisable and yimini omenzela izinto uamahle yonke into ibheke mina so kuningi ukungibhekile
washo wathi yena
wathi ushadini
bathi mina ngina ingane kasho wathi mina cha kwathiwa ngilotholiwe ngathi cha wathi okay wena ke ngoba wena kwakho kulula kakhulu sekwenzela izinto zibe lula straight ke sovele sikubulala vela unaqala emhlabeni likusalele asho nje kanje hayi ngixolise ke ngibona ukuthi umhlaba uyangiphelela
aqhazela umuntu wami
ngabe uzobheka usetoilet ke siphuma phela toilet
MC woza abantu bafuna ukuhamba
Kahlekisa kodwa kubuhlungu.
Avele
Asiphukile.
asuke lapho bethe na okay sebetholile imali ke bese asime lapha sibeke ifoni embhedeni singayithinti ngezandla masima lapha bafuna ukubamba ufakazi bese bazobamba isithombe somuntu wami umakho bathi akakhumuli phela sithukiwe sithi abantu bayasibona sitata zinewinto ethi ngisukulunguza emuva
Khona into ekhalayo emnyango.
khona into ekhaya emnyango umakhumala akhumule guys kuvela amabele yabo sibukani bethi akakhumula ibhluka ayagoloza umuntu amahlehlayele nami vele ngihlehle ngele nami sekuthiwa ngikhumule yo
Oh ngabuya seyisigqokile iskipa lesona
isona kodwa ngabona ivideo kuvela amabele kaBhebe
engqoke kanje bathiwa ngikhumula lento le ngayikhumula wasala amabele Nkosi yami emva lokho mangibuya iyaphela le video yazo past 2 mangibuya ngibuya sengisigqokile seskipa athi uyagoloza yazovela ngezinto ezilula nje le muntu akavela adubule lapha ewindini ngoba uyabhayiza hawe ma
savele sashiya ifoni sacima ngasasuka savusa amahla sasigwaqa phansi kombhede sihlale phansi kanje sesabile
ila ngithe khona ku MC asivele siphume semnyango it's either labantu basidubula sho kumele sife sizofa namhlanje ngavele ngamblocker semthango nobaba lo samblocker emva lokho saphuma sangapha MC besabo sisengaphandle ngavele ngavusa amahla
awenzala ngalotho nje ngiyasho ukuthi waphela umsebenzi
why bethi banenkinga nawe noma khona abaxaphela khona
akukho nje umuntu engamnqaphela mina
hayi into eminibanga hayi into ebangwayo
hawu ngabanga nje nabantu abangithatha bangisuse ekhaya bazovufa emsebenzini all along
no ngithi mina nganya kwethu la ubusebenzela khona ubwenzela khona ini ubusebenzela khona ngaphambi kokuba uvele kula la usumuvele khona manje la ubusebenzela khona eqaleni yini into ebenibanga eyakususa khona noma into ebibangwa eyakususa khona
ayikho nje into ayibanga angizwanga
la ubusebenzela khona
time akho lutho nje leyo kokubanga nabangaze ngibangela utho nomuntu ngena kwethu sengingabanga nomuntu ngibangela ini ngoba nje kwasekufika isikhathi sokuthi ngihambe ngoyimela ngayimela
yilokho tata uthatha ama-customer wabo uyabona lesithombe lesengikusendele sona kwaSapho
isithombe athi ngibona
uyabona leyo video uyayibona ngiyabuza wengane ukuthi uyayibona le video
ngiyibona baba
angithandi kube wena olandelayo ngicela ungangirekhodi futhi ngicela utshela umakhumana ngasirekhodi ngicela ungasirekhodi le nto angifuni ukuthi sigcine sidubula ngane wethu sikubuza kahle ngithi kumele siphendule wena ngendlela eqondile uyangizwa
ngiyakuzwa
cha baba into eyenzayo bengisebenza lapho ngayimela kodwa bengazi ukuthi mhlawumbe udaba ngaze lufikela bengithi ngiyayimela ngoba ngibuka ukuthi mhlawumbe khona sengikufundile kodwa makuphatheke kabi Nkosi yami isishwele bekungeyona inhloso yami akukho engibange nabo ngibhange nabo uyakuzwa udaba
ngiyakuzwa
so awunginikeze uqozi ngakho ngibuza ukuthi yini ebangwayo ngane wethu
akubanga lutho Nkosi yami sengizoqamba manga ngithini ngane kwethu ngoba lo ngisho yikhona nje akukho futhi okunye ayikho into engiyibanga namuntu kwasekufika isikhathi sokuthi ngihambe ngiyimela ngiyimele ngomsebenzi asengivele ngezivele naseqani ngangasebenzeli umuntu angisebenzela mina ngiwathatha ama-client ngiwasaphi
ngaya wethu singangena ngaphakathi ngane wethu sikhuluma ubuso nobuso noma uthi xa baba singalikhuluma la efonini ungizwile noma ungizwile
angikuzwa mina
singangena ngaphakathi sikhuluma ubuso nobuso noma uthi cha baba cela silukhulume la efonini
inkinga akukho engikwaziyo ukuthi ngizothi ngikhuluma into ethi
tata wethu ngicela ungiphendule Thuswa ngichazela ukuthi wobani lapho ukhuluma nabakithi ngichazela kithi
uthe njani ufana ngodaba oluphuthumayo
ngithetha kanye ukuthi inkabi lezo ukhuluma nazo ngisho njalo
yebo
ngeke bethile kuwena ngakubuza mina ukuthi singalungena ngaphakathi sikhuluma udaba impendulo yakho tata wethu ubaba wami namababa wami bengicasela ukukhuluma nefonini. Mhlawumbe ubaba ngichazele angifuni ukuthi ngidubule efasini ukuthi ihambe lefaswa noma ngitshela abantu abangaphakathi badubule. Ngisikhuluma nawe kahle ngithi
Yebo, ngiyakuzwa.
ungimamela ke ngoba ngithi ngikhuluma na kahle.
Ngulalela.
Noma ufuna ngithi abadubule efasini sihambele.
Hawu baba, angeze.
Ufuna ngikwenze
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Guys, bantu bafuna imali ngetindlela letiningi, bayaqola bendani bayabulala, benda bugebengu bonke lobuhlukahlukene. So kuneschema elisithenda kakhulu apha enkundleni yokuxhumana. It's been years this trend, but for some reason there are people who still don't know about the scam. And scam senkabi lesi, inkabi yakufonela nje ithi yana ngithume umuntu elojola nendoda yakhe, elojola neboyfriend yakhe uthi ngikubulala nginikede malini ngeke ngize ngikubulala. Uthuke-ke nawe ubanike imali ngoba athi bakusendela ivideo lapha phish intombatana ekhona. It's an old video. Leli scam asiyisebenzisa ukuhamba kusendela abantu ile video ukuthi na uqhuqhe usende imali. Guys, please don't fall for that scam too. Don't fall for that scam. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.